Need a professional flyer for an event, business, promotion, or announcement? Canva makes flyer design fast and beginner-friendly, with thousands of templates you can customize in minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to make flyers in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and use the search bar to find flyer templates. Canva will automatically load the correct design size so you can get started right away. Next, browse through the available templates and pick one that matches your purpose. Whether it's for a sale, event, grand opening, or community announcement, there's usually a template that fits. Now edit the text sections with your own information. Add your headline, event details, dates, contact information, or promotional message. Make sure the most important details are easy to spot. Upload your own photos or use Canva's built-in image library. You can also add your company logo, brand colors, and graphics to make the flyer more personalized. Take a moment to review the design. Check the spacing, alignment, colors, and readability to make sure everything looks professional and organized. When you're satisfied with the design, click Download and choose PDF print for the best printing quality. If you're sharing online, PNG is also a great option. And that's how to make flyers in Canva. With templates, drag-and-drop tools, and simple customization options, you can create professional flyers without any design experience. So spend a little time refining your design, and you'll have a flyer ready to share or print. Thanks for watching.